Disney, excellent investment opportunities, and affordability. These are three things that really make up the city of Davenport. So today we're doing the unthinkable. We're actually gonna take you into these communities that encompass different lifestyles for you. So thank you for the people that we've been helping. Without you all, we wouldn't know what videos to shoot. Jordan, cue the intro, you hit the like button. Let's get right into it. So the majority of the reach outs that we get about Davenport, most of the people say, I love Champions Gate. I want to be near Champions Gate. And that's for good reason. You have everything that you would ever need right here. World-class golf courses, resorts, emergency rooms, grocery shopping, dining, banks, you name it, you have it here. But this next community I'm going to show you is going to check a lot of boxes, and you're literally right here in the mix of Champions Gate. So let's look at it. So here we are at the Enclaves at Festival by Ashton Woods, which is a very solid builder in my opinion. Now, we're right in the mix of Champions Gate and everything that has to offer, but within the community you have townhomes. But what's really cool is you can turn this into your primary residence, you can make this your secondary residence, you can lease them out long-term and you can lease them out short-term. That's right, you can turn this into a vacation rental and the amenity center is set up just for that. So let's take a look. All right, so here's the beauty and all of the flexibility that we were talking about. Imagine owning a place like this, and then you have to go visit some family members for a week, a month, I don't know, we all go on vacation, right? Well, while you're gone, imagine making some passive income on your property. You don't have to be a seasoned investor in order to start making some money. Now, these are 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, just about 1,600 square foot, but we're getting these things under $400,000 with all of the crazy incentives to be as close as you are to Disney with the flexibility, win-win. So here we are at Estonia. This is a mixed master plan community, and it seems like everybody's always asking about it anytime we get an inquiry, right? But there's 4 builders in here. You have Highland Homes, you have D.R. Horton, Lennar, and Ryan Homes. Some good, some not as good. But what I like about this community is you just have a lot of sidewalks and walking trails, a lot of Mother Nature, ponds. You get to really experience Florida within your community, and you're just about 5 to 7 minutes away from Posner Park, so you have all the shopping at your fingertips. Target, Best Buy, you name it, you have it. Now, we've done business with all of the builders in here, so if you want to know what we think about these builders, you want to hear the good, the bad, and the ugly, you just send us a text. We'll be honest with you. So you got all of these apartments. I mean, these things have, wow, they're just all over the place. But then you have Hobby Lobby, you have Target, Best Buy, we already talked about. Jordan loves Twisted Treat for whatever reason. I think the ice cream's kind of Never had it. I have had it the other day, actually. And then you have new BJ's that just opened up. For all of you wholesale shoppers, you'd like to go to like Costco and such, you got a BJ's up here, but all of this is right around the corner from Estonia. So just another perk to living in that community. So here we are at the OG of Davenport, Charles Cove. They've been selling in here for a long time and they're still pumping out new homes. You have Cascades right across the street, but let's focus on Charles Cove here. You still get the affordability that seems to be the common theme here in Davenport, but you also have a beautiful amenity center, gorgeous pool, and then you have a huge soccer field that you can do multiple sports in, throw a frisbee, a lot of green space, do whatever you want with it. But I think the most important thing about Charles Cove is you're right around the corner from Advent Health, one of the newer hospitals here in Davenport. So if you're somebody that needs to be close to healthcare, you might want to consider Charles Cove. Something really cool in here is that this builder actually gives my team and I more incentives for our buyers because of the amount of families that we've helped this year with this builder. So I'm not showing off and saying, oh yeah, we're super cool, but I'm just letting you know, on top of the great work that we do, we can also get you more money. All right, so here it is, your favorite portion of the show. This is the real estate segment. In case you all started nodding off, we're gonna wake you up here a little bit. Now, we can't help all of the families. I can't do it by myself, so I have agents on the team that are rock stars like my boy Josh Willis here. Welcome to the channel, man.
Appreciate it, man.
You've been on the Driving Tours channel. For those of you who have seen that channel, if not, Jordan, if you can link it or show it on the screen here, we do a lot of videos. First time on this main YouTube channel, you excited about it?
Oh yeah.
And you've been crushing it on the real estate side of things, especially here in Davenport, but you've been Haines City, you've been Clermont. What types of buyers have we been seeing out here?
Well, we're right close to Disney, so you got your investors, you got your snowbirds,
right.
But you also got your families coming down looking for something affordable, but still location heavy. We're right by Disney.
Right, exactly. We were talking about earlier, it's like 20 minutes to Disney at some part, maybe even 18 minutes. But if you go 18 minutes towards the other side of Disney, that's where you start paying $1 million plus for homes.
Starts
right?
getting on up there.
It's kind of a no-brainer to be out here. But what types of homes have we been helping people with? What kind of real estate do we have out here?
Well, we got your move-in readies. You got your semi-customs. You can put your finishing touches.
Right.
But you also got your full customs that pretty much design how you want. So pretty much whatever you're looking for.
And currently, the way the market is, it's like 9 out of 10 of our buyers or people that reach out, they're just like, I want new construction. Why is that?
Well, we got a ton of options in resale. I mean, find them everywhere.
Yeah.
But you also got your new construction, new warranties, incentives.
Yeah.
We're helping with interest rate buy downs.
Right. And we've been getting crazy incentives, right? Like 10, 20, 30, $35,000 in flexible cash. What you can do is you can take that flexible cash, apply it to knock down the price of the home, knock your interest rate down, of course, pay your closing costs. But the cool thing is these reps for different builders, like which we don't work for one builder, they reach out to us the moment something comes through or before the incentives come out, and we can hit our people up at zero cost to you guys. We tell you all the time, I'm always shocked when somebody says, well, how much does it cost to work with you? $0, guys. Now, this guy's not only one of the best agents that we have on the team, but he's a freaking rock star golfer. There goes that smile we've been waiting on right there. But you just won a tournament recently, right?
Yeah, shot 74, fielded 36. You know, not too shabby.
Not too shabby. Out of 36, I'm placing 35th out of 36. He placed first. But Davenport, Haines City, Champions Gate has very nice golf courses, right?
Beautiful courses.
Yeah. What are some of your favorites?
You got Southern Dune, which is my top. You also got Providence, beautiful course.
Yeah.
You got Champions Gate. They have 2 courses. You got an international and a national.
Oh, whoa! I got an idea. For anybody out there that is a golfer, right? If you want to come down, visit, you can even visit. If you want to visit or if you want to home shop with us, I tell you what, if it's just one person and you golf, you play him. If you win, we'll pay your closing costs. We'll actually buy you around. We'll pay for lunch. If there's 2 people, I hope that there's 2 people because I would love to join. He would just be carrying the team. Same thing. If you all beat us, what do you think about that? You okay to give up your commission check or?
They better bring their A game.
We appreciate that, guys. Hey, first time on the channel, but he has to get back to work. We have things to do. So we're here at Forest Lake, and there's multiple builders here that are coming too. You have Richmond American, you have D.R. Horton, Casa Fresca's coming in, and Pulte's actually gonna be dropping in right across the street. And one of these builders, this is the reason why we're talking about this, has one of the best price per square foot in the Davenport area. They have bigger homes, they have smaller homes, but the price per square foot is really, really good. And they're gonna be doing a grand opening tomorrow. You already know me and my agents will be here. And we actually have clients flying in from out of state just to take a look. So if you want more information on that, all you have to do, shoot us a text, send us an email, super easy, Forest Lake. Well, there you have it. Davenport has a lot more to offer than what we've shown you today. But if you're looking to either invest or make Davenport your home, or you just want to buy a second home, you can reach us at cclayhomes@gmail.com or simply just text this number right here. Hey, I would love to stick around, but as long as you're subscribed, and I know you're subscribed, right? We're gonna see each other again. So, until next time.